Hey there, welcome to this video about why your business should start accepting Bitcoin. As of 2022, thousands of businesses accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment for their products and services. In this video, we'll go over the top reasons why you should too. But before we jump in, let's get on the same page about what Bitcoin actually is. Have you heard of it? It's a digital currency that you can use to buy things online, just like regular money. But it's not controlled by any government or financial institution, it operates on a peer-to-peer network. One of the main benefits of Bitcoin is that it's decentralized, which means that no one entity controls it. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which makes it more secure and transparent than traditional banking systems. This makes Bitcoin a great option for businesses that want to avoid high transaction fees or concerns about currency exchange rates. It's also a good choice for people who want to make anonymous transactions online. Overall, Bitcoin has revolutionized the way we think about money and finance. So, if you're curious about this digital currency, why not give it a try? Who knows, it might just change your life. Now, let's dive into the top reasons why your business should accept Bitcoin. First, Bitcoin can help reduce transaction costs and speed up the payment process. Credit card fees can run around 2 to 3% per transaction, which can add up quickly. With Bitcoin, fees depend not on transaction size but on how quickly you want your transaction to be processed. Transactions can take up to 10 to 30 minutes to confirm, depending on the fees you choose to pay. However, if the fees of the Bitcoin network are too high, you can consider setting up a Lightning Network wallet, which lets you send and receive Bitcoin transactions instantly and for a fraction of a cent. Another benefit of accepting Bitcoin is that it can protect you from fiat exchange rate risk. Many merchants who accept Bitcoin bypass volatility by setting prices in their local currency and converting Bitcoin into their currency of choice once the payment is complete. Bitcoin itself acts only as the medium through which the transaction takes place. Bitcoin transactions also allow you to expand your client base globally. Since you're skipping the most painful part of doing international business, banks, altogether, you don't have to wait 3 days for the transaction to clear. Unlike traditional payment methods, such as credit cards or PayPal, Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once they have been confirmed by the network. This means that once you have sent Bitcoin to someone, you cannot cancel or reverse the transaction, and the recipient cannot dispute the payment or initiate a chargeback. Using Bitcoin is relatively simple and only gets easier with time. Even so, there is no need to understand its technology to accept Bitcoin payments. Nobody requires you to know how backing, or lack thereof, works for fiat currencies, too. Adopting Bitcoin as a payment method sends a clear statement to your audience that your brand is forward-thinking and innovative. It's a great way to demonstrate solidarity with the world's activists, underbanked people, and other honest and hardworking individuals. By adopting Bitcoin, you're also adopting its immutable monetary policy. Bitcoin is designed to be the most durable and secure computer network on the planet. Bitcoin is basically a super tough and secure computer network. If you start using Bitcoin for your business, you'll also be adopting its unchangeable money rules and energy-based security. Lots of people who love Bitcoin think it's a great way to save your money over a long time, whether you're a person or a business. Of course, nobody can say for sure what the future price of Bitcoin will be, but so far, the fact that there's a stable amount of Bitcoin combined with more and more people wanting to use it has made the price go up. That trend might keep going in the future, too. If you're a business owner considering using Bitcoin for transactions, you might have some questions about its legality, status as a legal tender, and taxation. The legality of Bitcoin varies by country, so it's important to check with your local regulators or legal advisors to understand the laws in your area. While some countries have banned cryptocurrencies, most remain crypto-friendly and are working to adopt a regulatory framework that embraces innovation. As for whether Bitcoin is a legal tender, no country has proclaimed it as a national currency yet, but it can still be used for payments as a discretionary payment tool. Regarding taxation, there is no definitive answer as it varies by country. Many countries have proposed their own taxation laws in regards to crypto, so it's essential to check local laws and stay informed about recent developments. Learning about regulators' opinions, licenses, and tax laws can help you understand the legality and safety of using Bitcoin for transactions. While there may be some uncertainties surrounding the use of decentralized cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's borderless and inclusive nature makes it an attractive option for those seeking a global currency. So, how can you get started with accepting Bitcoin as a payment method for your business? First, you need to create a digital wallet to store your Bitcoin. There are various types of wallets available online, such as desktop, mobile, or web wallets. You can choose any wallet that suits your needs and preferences. Once you have set up your wallet and promoted your business as a Bitcoin-friendly merchant, you can start accepting Bitcoin payments by creating a payment button on your website or generating a QR code that can be scanned by the customer's Bitcoin wallet. It's important to keep track of your Bitcoin transactions, just like you would with any other payment method. There are various tools and software available online to help you manage your Bitcoin transactions and keep your financial records up to date. Remember, accepting Bitcoin as a payment method can be a great way to attract new customers and stand out from the competition. By adopting Bitcoin, you're also demonstrating a forward-thinking brand identity and supporting a revolutionary technology. So if you're looking to reduce transaction costs and speed, avoid fiat exchange rate risk, expand your international sales, and enjoy the benefits of a decentralized payment system, then accepting Bitcoin might be the right choice for your business. Let's talk about Bitcoin versus traditional payment methods and why businesses are shifting so quickly. First, let's talk about traditional payment methods. They have been around for a long time and are widely accepted. They are convenient and easy to use for customers. However, they come with some downsides. Firstly, they are slow, transactions can take several days to clear. Secondly, they are expensive, banks and other intermediaries charge fees for processing payments. Thirdly, they are not always accessible to everyone. Some people may not have bank accounts or credit cards. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a newer payment method that is gaining popularity quickly. It is fast, transactions can be processed within minutes. It is also cheap, there are very low transaction fees associated with Bitcoin. Additionally, it is accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of whether they have a bank account or not. However, there are some downsides to using Bitcoin as well. Firstly, it can be volatile. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, making it risky for businesses to hold onto. Secondly, it is not yet widely accepted. Not all businesses and customers are familiar with it or willing to use it. Thirdly, it is irreversible. Once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed, which can be a problem if there is a dispute or mistake. So, in conclusion, both traditional payment methods and Bitcoin have their pros and cons. While traditional methods are widely accepted and convenient, they are slow, expensive, and not always accessible. On the other hand, Bitcoin is fast, cheap, and accessible, but it can be volatile, not yet widely accepted, and irreversible. Businesses are shifting to Bitcoin quickly because of its advantages, but it is important to carefully consider the risks and benefits before making the switch. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of why your business should start accepting Bitcoin and how you can easily get started. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.